In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily switch personal account to professional and professional to personal in Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app and then go to your profile. If you can see that professional dashboard on your profile page, that means that your account is currently professional. In order to switch it to personal, all you have to do is just tap at menu, get into settings and privacy, tap at creator tools and controls, then tap at switch account type, and then select switch to personal account. After a couple of seconds, your account will be switched to personal. If we go to our profile, we can see that there are no professional dashboard anymore here, and that means that our account is currently personal. If we want to switch account to a professional, we need to tap at menu, settings and privacy, then scroll down and tap at account type and tools, then switch to professional account, and then in this way we can easily switch our account to professional. On the last step, we need to choose a creator or business and tap at next. Now, as you can see, we have just switched account to professional. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.